Welcome back. It's weekend ragu. Bought a few bacon strips, steak cut from the grocery store. Just cut that into strips. We're also going to dice one whole onion. We'll add our bacon to the pan and let that fat render out. That's all done. Add our onions to the pan and one whole clove of garlic. Once it's all nice and browned, we'll set it aside and add our ground beef into the pan. Break it up nicely, let it all brown. And we're going to come back in with our bacon and onion mixture. Going with a couple big spoons of tomato paste. Just let that cook and caramelize. Once that's all done, we'll add in some red wine. We're just going to let it reduce until everything is nice and thick. Then we'll add beef stock and your pasta sauce of choice. I'm adding a parmesan rind and a couple of bay leaves. And we're going to let that simmer at a low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and thick. A couple pinches of salt to taste. And we're also going to be making a gastrique out of balsamic vinegar and a couple spoons of sugar. This is going to add some acidity and sweetness into the sauce. We're gonna let that all combine. Bring some water to a boil and we'll add in our pasta. Once the pasta is all cooked, we'll add some sauce to a nice hot pan. Add in our pasta. We're gonna toss it until everything's coated. I'm adding in a splash of heavy cream just to lighten up the colors and for a creamier taste. I'm gonna put it onto a nice plate. Top it off with some sauce. A little bit of parsley. And parmesan to finish. Now let's give it a taste. Nine out of 10. And a bite for you. Just kidding.